Dear students, today we are celebrating Independence Day. So, why do we celebrate Independence Day? We celebrate Independence Day to remember those patriot leaders, Deshbhakt Neta, who sacrificed their lives for the freedom of our country. राइट हम इंडिपेंडेंस डे इसलिए सेलिब्रेट करते हैं ताकि उन देशभक्त नेताओं को याद कर सकें जिन्होंने अपने देश के आज़ादी के लिए प्राणों का न्यौछावर कर दिया। यस, उन्होंने अपनी जान दे दी। उन्होंने ऐसा क्यों किया? वाई डिड दे डू सो? दे डिड सो बिकॉज दे लव्ड देयर कंट्री। So ask yourself the question, do you love your country?
Yes, sir.
So what is the proof? How can you prove that you love your country? Because today we are independent. We are free. Right? Other countries not ruling over us. We are free to do anything. We have a right to speak. We have a right to education. We have a right to do everything in our country. Then how can you prove? You are not going to die for the country. But even today you can prove that you love your country. It's our duty. क्या?
It's our duty.
We can prove that we love our country by doing our duty honestly and correctly. Here I am your English trainer. You are my student.
Yes,
So it is my duty to teach you honestly and correctly.
sir.
If I am doing my job, yes,
Yes, sir.
then I am a right person. I am training you for the future. So the question is that you are a student, are you doing your duty honestly and correctly? If you are not doing, it means you are cheating yourself and you are cheating the country. If I am not doing my duty of teaching properly, honestly, correctly, I am also cheating myself. I am cheating you and I am cheating the country. Because you are the future of the country. Yes, you know?
Yes, sir.
When you will be 18-year-old and you have a professional skill based courses, you have been trained by the professors, and then you will get a job, you will start your own business. Yes, you will do your job honestly, you will treat the people honestly, you will earn money honestly, and you will follow the rule regulation of the country. Then you are the true country lover. True?
Country lover.
Your income is 1 lakh per month. In 12 months you earn 12 lakh rupees. So if you are paying the tax to the government honestly, then you are a true lover of the country. Yes, you know?
Yes, sir.
Then we can say, yes, you are Deshbhakt. If I am doing my duty properly, so then I can say myself that I am also Deshbhakt. Yes, you know?
Yes.
If anybody is cheating anybody, so he is a cheater. Yes?
Yes, sir.
He is not Deshbhakt. Yes? Because the real Deshbhakt people do not cheat anyone. If you cheat one, so you will progress in money matter, maybe, but other suffer loss. Yes, you know?
Yes, sir.
Because if I am selling a shirt, its maximum price price is 500 rupees. I am selling you for 2000 rupees. So what I am doing? I am cheating you. I am you are looted by me. Loot means lootna, LOOT. Second form looted, third form looted. तो इसलिए कुछ स्टूडेंट्स जो हंसते हैं, यार सर हिंदी बोल रहे हैं, लूटना, ये इंग्लिश भी है. देयर इज वन वर्ड आल्सो, मार, MAR. मार मीन्स होता है नुकसान पहुंचाना, नष्ट करना. तो व्हाट इज द सेकेंड फॉर्म? मार्ड, मार्ड. सर, शी हैज मार्ड मी. हाँ, मेरे को नुकसान पहुंचाया है. मार्ड मी. ए, बी केयरफुल, अदरवाइज आई विल मार यू. I will loot you. Both are Hindi word, but this is also English. Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
In such a way you can. And there is one word also in English. There is one word. Suppose anybody is going, and you suddenly remember something. Arey, oh, he is going. You remember one thing to ask him. तो what will you say? ओ रुक, ओ रुक. तो आप दोनों बोल दिए. यू स्पोक इंग्लिश आल्सो, यू स्पोक हिंदी आल्सो. WO. व्हाट इज दिस? WO. ओ का मतलब रुकना होता है. जब हम किसी को बोलते हैं ओ, फिर हम उसका हिंदी भी ट्रांसलेट करते हैं, रुक. इसका मतलब क्या है? रुकना, रुकना. अंडरस्टैंड?
Yes, sir.
तो आप बताओ, हम तो हिंदी में बोलते हैं ना वो, लेकिन मीनिंग क्या निकला? रुकना. गेटिंग माई बट देयर आर मेनी वर्ड्स जस्ट लाइक घी. देयर इज वन वर्ड नमकीन. नमकीन इज नमकीन, इंग्लिश, हिंदी. घी इज घी. देयर इज नो अदर वर्ड. नो, पनीर हैज अ वर्ड, चीज. CHEESE, cheese. Are you getting my point? Yes. So in such a way we can improve our English, we can speak a lot. So I was talking about, what I was talking about? Independence Day. So be a true lover of the country. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So if that is in our mind, then it is benefit to celebrate Independence Day. मतलब we get ना मैसेज फ्रॉम द पैट्रियट लीडर्स कि दे लव्ड देयर कंट्री, दे डाइड फॉर द कंट्री, सो वी आल्सो मस्ट बी रेडी फॉर आवर कंट्री. वी मस्ट बी ट्रू पैट्रियट ऑफ आवर कंट्री, एंड वी, इफ वी लव आवर कंट्री, तो डेफिनेटली वी विल डू आवर ऑल ड्यूटीज ऑनेस्टली. यस.
Yes, sir.
This is the message. This is the message. It is not like that. Nowadays the school, colleges are celebrating Independence Day. 1 or 2 bhakti gana, some dance, and then Bollywood gana. If somebody is singing, dancing on dance of Sila ki Jawani, तेरे हाथ ना आनी, फिर नहीं बनेगी कहानी, आगे का पता नहीं. राइट?
Yes, sir.
तो आप ऐसे इंडिपेंडेंस डे पे गाना गाओगे तो ये इंडिपेंडेंस डे सेलिब्रेशन नहीं है. इट इज द इंसल्ट ऑफ द देशभक्त, फ्रीडम फाइटर्स. इट इज द इंसल्ट ऑफ.
Freedom fighters.
Are you getting my point?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
it means we should remember the freedom fighter. We should plan how we can do better, for ourselves, for our parents, for our colony, for our area, for our village, for our state, and for our country. If you are contributing to each and everyone, then you are working for the country. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Country, there is country, then we are here. देश है तो हम हैं. इफ देर इज नो कंट्री देन वेयर वी आर. टेल मी, किसके लिए काम करोगे? सिंपल. सो आई हैव जस्ट एक्सप्लेन यू. तो व्हाट डू यू थिंक? एम आई राइट और रॉन्ग? आई एम सेइंग राइट.
Yes, sir.
You are understanding?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that's good because you are the youth. Your age is just 17, 18. You have just passed 12th class. You may be 17 or maximum 18. Yeah? I think this is the around your age. Yeah? definitely. And someone, if they have failed many times, so they may be 19, 20. Okay, so I don't think that there is any one student who this year passed, na? So their minimum age is 17. Okay, so dear students, just keep everything in our mind, and one thing is better for the students. Okay, school and colleges give you opportunity to participate in such program, celebration program, just like Independence Day and this and that. Okay, so if you have any skill, suppose you have a skill of dancing, so you should show your dance. You have a skill of delivering a speech, so you should deliver the speech. You have a skill to say sher shairi, so you should say sher shairi. It will create a confidence in you. Yes?
Yes, sir.
I'm talking here, I'm speaking in English because it is international language. It is a subject which I'm teaching you so that you can speak English and you can go to the world. You can travel all over the world. You can talk to anyone because every country people, right, try to learn English because they also know this is a international language, common language. At least if you don't know anything, so you should know English. Even in our country Bharat, if you go to Kerala, Karnataka, they speak their language. They don't speak Hindi. So if you know English, then you can also talk to them in English. So such benefit you will get if you are able to speak English. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So thank you very much for listening me.